Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and today I'm showing you amazing set of gel nails of long shape and the beautiful nail design. As you can see, I have already removed the old gel and the nail design. Now you see me working with the 100 and 180 grid file. I prefer this shape of file because it's long lasting and strong. It's not easy to break with this file. After shaping the nail, I'm working with extra soft camouflage gel. This is the sculpting gel, which doesn't burn the nail plate. You can order this kind of product on shapeofnail.com with free shipping all over the world for $6. And that's great that we have a chance to use such amazing new and beautiful products. Okay, I'm using the brush for gel number 4. It's very easy to work and this brush is long lasting, but be careful guys, when the UV light penetrates into the depth of this brush, it can be ruined and the gel can be polymerized. After curing the nails in LED lamp, I have removed the tacky layer from all nails and I'm working with the barrel gel bit. This kind of gel bit is very popular and I'm using only this one because the shape of this gel bit is useful for me. It's safe for the client, so if it's not sharp, I have never cut the skin of the client using this gel bit. And the toothing of this alloy steel gel bit are large, and the larger toothing, the less burning and the heating the nail plate. And this one is the cone gel bit. I'm using this gel bit for working in hidden places. Like you can see on the video, I'm removing the gel in this area because now it's popular to apply the gel polish products under the cuticles, and this way we can protect the cuticle from the gel, and the nail design will look more accurate and neat. After working with drill bits, I'm proceeding with the nail file and shaping nails. I'm just applying the final shape, fine shaping. As you can see, I'm working my way with the same file and shaping it like the tube. After that, I will remove the gel from underneath of the nail plate, and this shape will be looking like tubes, like beautiful pipes. Okay, and the same gel bit can be used not only for removing the gel in cuticles area. We are working with the same gel bit for removing the gel from underneath of the nail plate in such hidden places. But as an advice for me, you should remember it's better to at first working in cuticles area and after working in from underneath of the nail plate, because sometimes some bacteria and dirt can be removed from underneath and placed in cuticles area. Sometimes some areas are bleeding because of the manicure, and you can place the infection from under or the dirt from underneath to the nail, to the skin. That's why it's better at first working from upside and after working from the lower side. I'm using gel products from shapeofnail.com. I prefer using gel polishes and the gel paint. I'm using the red color gel paint and applying very thin layer. By the way, gel paints there costs about $1 with free shipping, especially the gel paint for the French manicure, which is maximum pigmented. You will never find such high quality and beautiful colors with the same price with free shipping in other stores. So just rush, guys, because sales are on the maximum now. And of course my personal touch, my favorite technique, my favorite composition at the end. I'm using my favorite one-stroke nail art technique for creating lilies for this beautiful lady. I like drawing flowers on women's hands, and I love every woman because I have a lot of positive moments with meeting all women, and I think every woman is special, and there are no one bad woman in the world. We have only stupid guys who sometimes don't understand that women are special, and we just need to find this special key to each woman, a particular woman, and understand her. That's why I decided to be the nail technician and start working with women. And you know, guys, I had never had special situations, scandals on my workplace, and I tried to understand every woman and her preferences, her feelings, and you know, I did it. I think I did it, and I think I just learned the soul of women. I started understand their feels, minds, and you know, it helped me in future life. When I met my wife, it helped me in the relationship with my wife, because I started understanding her, and now it helps me to avoid misunderstanding with other women. You know, when I was young, I was dreaming to be a psychologist. I don't remember this word, psychologist or psycholog, maybe something like this. I mean, the person who helped people to fix their head, their minds, to solve their problems. mental problems. And you know, I think every nail technician is the small psychologist, because we every day we work with different people, and we have a lot of we have chance to speak with them during the process. For example, the lashes master have no chance to speak with the client, because it's not good when the client is speaking and it spoils the work. And hair master, hairstylist is not usually speak with the client, because the process sometimes is fast, and in the hair salon there are a lot of people around. But when you are a nail technician, you are sitting in the hidden place in the small room. For example, when you have a chance to speak with your client face to face, and this is amazing, because after a lot of years you're starting to understand all people, and you starting to be more patient, more smarter, and like, what do you think about nail design, guys? Let's come back to this work. If you like, don't forget to click that like button. Let's continue our conversation in the next video tomorrow. I will prepare something special for you. And if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I will answer them. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.